Talking about privacy, is privacy a concern in DAO? The data privacy?
Yes, of course, because first of all, DAO they are targeting a very big amounts of different natural persons who actually resides in different countries. So it is, if you are talking about DAOs, most likely we are talking about cross-border transactions. And in such case, different laws apply. So, as I said, SEC, they think that they have extraterritorial powers. So they, even though the company is incorporated in other country, they think
Mm.
that they have authority over such country. With data privacy laws, extraterritorial laws, extraterritorial principle applies as well. And now we have all the countries which thinks that they have authority over such DAO.
Mm.
For example, if you are talking about GDPR, if you are obtaining any privacy data of European residents, such countries, such members, they have authority over such legal entity, notwithstanding where it is incorporated. For example, in Cayman Islands, still they can find the Cayman Islands Corporation. And furthermore, it is a problem with blockchain since the private data, uh, the data that is written to such blockchain, it doesn't give the full anonymity of such data subjects which have given you such data. It is more like pseudonymization because
Correct.
anyway, yeah, it can be the data that is written to the blockchain, it can lead to that individual. Furthermore, it is the case with wallet, since by one transaction you can find the wallet, and so with that you can see all the transactions, which can actually be a problem with identifying such individual.
Mm.
So yeah, you should remember that mostly all of the privacy protection laws are extraterritorial, and you shall grant all the rights that are foreseen in those laws. Um, Here we have two main laws. It is Californian CCPA and European GDPR
Mm.
because they are the strictest one. And we have another problem actually here with erasure erasure right, since all the data subjects they have rights, so their data is erased, but it actually conflicts with the immutability of blockchain. You cannot just take and delete all the data from the blockchain. It conflicts with the main principle of immutability of data.
Correct.
Yes, there are some resolutions to it. For example, creating the a separate database for such uh, another blockchain where you will keep those data, private data. I don't remember any examples who successfully realized it, but it is the way. And also, since yeah, you shall erase the data because it is provided by GDPR. Many companies they use multi-signature accreditation to do so. So yeah, you erase something from the blockchain, immutability isn't followed. The principle uh, uh, is violated by,
Mhm.
but anyway, there are a very high standard for erasing or changing something on blockchain.
And that deals a lot of electricity and power if you're gonna try to erase the blockchain, a part of it in the blockchain. For me, it's next to impossible given the fact that it should have that immutable component. Um, I oh, I got my little boy here. Oh, saying good morning. uh, I just lost my train of thought. Okay, I got it. Going back to the regulators, I'm gonna ask something after this, but it's more of the regulators. How mature are the regulators in their understanding of DAO compared to the different private entities? Because it seems to be, maybe I could ask that in Europe, how are they mature in their understanding, even in blockchain? Are they at par with the different private entities who are really endorsing blockchain technology more so DAO?